Hello my lovely students, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will see some important questions on the chapter cubes and cube roots of class 8th. In my previous video I've already explained you all the concepts of this chapter. Please check it out. If you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe it. Once you have watched the video, please go through and try these questions. I am very sure you will be able to do all the questions on your own. Now let's get started. First one, which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? Not perfect cubes means how do we say that it's not a perfect cube? If any number doesn't have its triplet, it's not a perfect cube. Now first one, 216. And one more important thing I want to share is you should be knowing 1 to 20 cubes on your mouth. It should be there in your mouth, 1 to 20 cubes. And when I talk about the squares, you should know 1 to 30. I'm very sure with these 1 to 20 and 1 to 30, your calculations will become very quick. Let's start. 216. I know 216 is basically 6 into 6 into 6, 6 cubes. So yes, it's a perfect cube. You can just do it by using prime factorization. Next one, 1 to 8. So 1 to 8 we can find the prime factors. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 32s are 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are and 2 1s are. So how many 2s do we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 twos, 2 power 7. That means it is not a perfect cube. It doesn't have its triplets. Next one, third one is 1000. 1000 you already know it is 10 cubes, so yes, it's a perfect cube. Fourth one, 100. 100 again prime factorization. 2 50s are, 2 25s are, 5 5s are and 5 1s are. So basically it is 2 square into 5 square, which means it is not a perfect cube. It doesn't have its triplet. Next one, last one, 46,656. Again we will do using prime factorization to check if it's a perfect cube or not. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. Next again 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Now 729 doesn't come in 2 table, it comes in 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again 381s are, 327s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So let us see. This has its triplet, this has its triplet, this has its triplet and this has its triplet. Every number has its triplet. So yes, it's a perfect cube. Next one. Find the smallest number by which the number 675 must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. Which means 675 is not a perfect cube. So let us first find the prime factors. So 675 prime factors are 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 25. Again 5 twos are 10, 5 sevens are 35. Now 3 nines are, 3 threes are, 3 ones are. So here I have 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. So I can see that 3 has its triplet but 5 doesn't have. It only has 2 fives. So which means I need to multiply it by 5. So if I multiply it by 5, then 5 will also have its triplet and then yes, it becomes a perfect cube. So you should multiply it by 5. This is how you do these questions. Find the smallest number by which the number 704 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. So 704. Again, let us find the prime factors. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 6. Now 2 88s are, 2 44s are, 2 22s are, again 2 11s are. Yes. and 11 ones are. So what are the prime factors? 2 into 2 into 2, and then 2 into 2 into 2, and 11. So here I see this has its triplet, this has its triplet, but 11 is left alone. It doesn't has its triplet, which means it is not a perfect cube. So here your given question is what should you divide? So if in case I divide this by 11 and then this 11 and 11 gets rid of, so then it becomes a perfect cube. So therefore you need to divide it by 11 so that it becomes a perfect cube. Next one. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5, 2 and 5 centimeter. How many cuboids will he need to form a cube? Now you know cube means all the sides are equal, right? So here they don't have triplets, right? 5 doesn't has its triplets, 2 also doesn't has its triplet. So we will find out what numbers we need so that they both becomes triplet. So here basically we have 5 into 5 into 2. So there is one, we are one short of 5, that means I will take 1 5 and 2 shorts of 2. So if I multiply this with 1 5, 5 will have its triplet, and if I multiply this 2 with 2 2's, it will have its triplet. So basically 5 into 2, 10 into 2, 20 cuboids. So they need 20 cuboids to form a cube. I hope this is clear. Next one, find this using prime factorization. Prime factorization we were just doing, so let us find it for this as well. So this comes in 5 table. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Again 5 6s are 30, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 5 1 25s are 5 25s are 5 5s are and 5 1s are. So how many? This has its triplet, this has its triplet. So cube root 5 cube into 5 cube. So basically 15,625 can be written as 5 cube into 5 cube. So which means 5 into 5 whole cube. Can I write this like this? Yes, we can, because both of them has 3. Now this cube and cube root gets cancelled. So we are left with 5 into 5, which is nothing but 25. I hope this is clear. Next, moving on. Find the cube root of 1,75,616 by prime factorization. So we were just doing prime factorization. Let us do this as well. Now this first comes in 2 table. 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, and again 2 8s are 16. Now again 2 table, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 0 into 2 4s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 14, and 2 6 are 12. Again 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, and 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, and 2 6 are 12. 2 3 4 3. Now 343 doesn't come in 2 table, it comes in 7 table. 7 4 49s are 7 7s are and 7 1s are. So finally we have 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 7 cube, right? So you need to find the cube root of this. So since all of them has cubes, we can club them. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 whole cube, I can write like this. Why whole cube? So that I can get rid of this cube and this root. So I get 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 7 is 56. So 56 is the final answer. Next one, state true or false. So now these are the questions based on your properties of cube roots. Now let's see how far you know them. cube of any odd number is even. Now see, these kind of questions when you have, you should at least take 2 or 3 examples as questions and then try to solve that if it is true or false. Okay, cube of any odd number is even. Now let us take any odd number. What is the odd number? Let's take 2 cube. Sorry, 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. Odd number is not even. Cube of any odd number is not even. So here when I took odd number 3, its cube is odd, right? So this is false. Next, a perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. Let us see, a perfect cube does not end in 2 zeros. 10 cube. 10 cube has 3 zeros. Yes, does not end in 2 zeros. And then again we can see 20 cube. 20 cube is 8000. Again it doesn't end in 2 zeros. So this is true. It has 3 zeros. Next, if a square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25. Square of a number ends in 5. So let me take 5 square. 5 square is 25 and its cube, 5 cube, is ending in 25. This is right, but you just can't take one example. You should take more than one example to be sure. So let us take another example. 15 square. 15 square is 225. Yes, the square is ending in 5. But what about its cube? 15 cube is 3375. Is it ending in 25? No. So this is false. So you need to always take around 2 to 3 examples to make sure that you done it right. Okay, there is no perfect cube which ends with 8. This is very wrong, because 2 cube is, if I see, it ends with 8, so you can directly write it false. You need not check any other example, because if your first example is only not satisfying, do not waste your time in trying other examples. Okay, next one, the cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. So cube of a 2-digit number, any 2-digit number, the smallest 2-digit number, let me take 10. The smallest 2-digit number, 10 cube is 1000. So here it is given it may be a 3-digit number. No, it is a 3-digit number. It is always a 3-digit number, because the smallest of 2-digit number also has more than 3-digit number. So this is a false statement. It is always more than 4 digits or more. Okay, next, the cube of a 2-digit number may have 7 or more digits. The cube of a 2-digit number, so let us take the cube of a 2-digit number, 99. So 99 cube is 970299. So how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it has 6 digits, but here it is given 7 or more. This is again false, right? Last one, the cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. Yes, it may be a single digit number, because if I see 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is becoming 2-digit number, but it may be a single digit number. It is possible. So this is again a true statement. I hope this is clear. Now moving on to the last question. You are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Yes, we know that it is 11. Can you guess without factorization what is its cube root? Okay, so here we will not factorize. Similarly, guess the cube roots of 4913 and all of it. So let me just do one for you so that you will feel easy and you can try the others for homework. Now 1331, you need to find this cube root, if it is a perfect cube or not. All right, so first thing what we'll do is we will write the cubes of 1 to 10. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, and 10 cube is 1000, right? So now this is a shortcut method to find the perfect, if it is a perfect cube or not. All right. So when you are supposed to not use the prime factorization, you can always use this method and do it. So let's see what is this. So here you will divide them into triplets. So these three numbers, one triplet and this is one triplet. Now in the last triplet, you will only see the last digit. What is the last digit? 1 is the last digit. So where is 1 coming here in your answers? It is here. And this belongs to what cube? 1 cube. So your 1's digit will be 1. Now here you are left with just one digit, 1. So this definitely belongs to 1. So yes, 11 is your answer. Let me take another example and explain it to you. Now again make them into triplets. This is 1 and this is another. Now in this triplet, see the last digit 3. Where is your 3 coming here? The last digit, it is here, right? The 1's digit is 3 and this belongs to which cube? 7 cube. So here my 1's digit, I found it to be 7. Now 4. 4 comes between which two numbers? It comes between 1 and 2, right? It comes between 1 and 2 cubes. So then you will always pick the smaller number. So here you will pick the 1 cube. So 1 is your 17 is your answer. Let us try one more. 1 2 1 6 7. Here again this is one triplet and this is another pair. Now here you will see the last digit 7. Now where is 7 coming? 7 is here, right? 7 as 1's digit. So this belongs to 3. So my 1's digit here is 3. Now 12. 12 comes between which two numbers? It comes between these two numbers. It is between 8 and 27. That means 2 and 3. Always you will pick the smaller number. So 23 is your answer. Similarly, last one, 3 2 7 6 8. This is one triplet and this is one pair. So 8. 8 comes here in which number? It comes in this one. So this belongs to what? 2 cube. So here my 1's digit is 2. And 32 lies between 3 and 4 cubes, right? And you will always pick the smaller number, which is 3. So 32 is your answer. So this is a shortcut to find the cube root and the perfect cube, if it is a perfect cube or not. So I'm very sure this chapter is clear to you. If you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe it. And thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.